Hi, welcome back to the Burleson Public Library. I'm Amanda. Yesterday I told you all about some hobby books for self-care, and today I'd like to talk to you about some books on DIY skincare, spa, and beauty products. The first one is The Natural Beauty Solution: Break Free from Commercial Beauty Products Using Simple Recipes and Natural Ingredients. It's got really good instructions on making the recipes and lots of details about the various ingredients. I personally am intrigued by the Rosemary Pale Ale Shampoo Bar and am seriously considering making that. All right, the second book I have is The Compassionate Chick's Guide to DIY Beauty: 125 Recipes for Vegan, Gluten-Free, Cruelty-Free Makeup, Skin, and Hair Products. So this book has absolutely beautiful pictures and really easy to follow instructions. Lots of pictures and really nice instructions. And lots of other information about the ingredients and some helpful tips. It includes natural ingredient recipes to make your own liquid and powder foundations, eyeliner, mascara, as well as lots of skin and other beauty products. Okay, the third book is Homemade Bath Bombs, Salts, and Scrubs: 300 Natural Recipes for Luxurious Soaks by Kate Bello. This book has recipes geared toward all types of ailments, skin and beauty, chakras, and even all of the astrological signs. So I'm thinking that it would be really fun to make a bath bomb for my best friend who loves to take a nice, hot, relaxing bath. And I personally would like to try the Leo Uplifting Bath Soak, so I think that would be a lot of fun. And if you need a good binge watch to round out a nice spa day, you can check out The Great British Baking Show. We have 3 seasons of it on DVD here at the library ready to check out. So you can give us a call if you'd like to check any of those or any other books out. Call us or drop by the library. Our number is 817-426-9209. Thanks. See y'all next time.